Welcome back. Today I'm diving into a captivating topic. The old adage, there's nothing new under the sun. But is that really true anymore? With interstellar visitors like 3I Atlas in our backyard, the universe seems to have a lot more new surprises in store for us. To understand our modern perspective, let's look back. This phrase originated from the wisdom of King Solomon, who believed that everything had already been created by God. The thinkers of his time thought that there was nothing new, just undiscovered treasures waiting to be found. They assumed that life was a cycle of rediscovery. But what if they were wrong? Now let's talk about the latest interstellar visitor, 3I Atlas. It's a reminder that our universe is teeming with new experiences. As it speeds past the inner planets and slingshots around our sun, it's a thrilling adventure that reminds us of the ever-changing nature of our cosmos. Think of 3I Atlas as a rolling stone, a cosmic drifter, constantly tugged by the gravity of distant stars, yet aimlessly roaming through space. This is a beautiful metaphor for our existence. Just like 3I Atlas, we are all on our journey, discovering new facets of life and the universe around us. So folks, just before the end of civilization, just before the end of the world as you know it, you better get NordVPN, and I'm offering a great discount. If we can't protect our planet, you better protect your computer with NordVPN. So why do we still cling to the idea that there's nothing new under the sun? I suppose it's comforting to think that everything has been unveiled. But with each new discovery, like 3I Atlas, we challenge that notion. From groundbreaking technology to stunning astronomical phenomenon, our universe is continually revealing its secrets. Folks, we live in an interesting world. We live in a universe alive with new wonders. And perhaps it's time to embrace the idea that there is always something new under the sun. If we just choose to look closely. Hey, if you enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. What do you think? Is there truly nothing new under the sun? Or are there things out there waiting to be discovered? Thanks for watching and keep looking up, because the truth is out there. Hey folks, what you've just seen wasn't what you thought. What you've just seen was entirely generated using a AI editing program. Wow, we live in interesting times. Not only do we have 3I Atlas hurtling towards us, but we now can't even believe that I'm real. Here's some real science. Thanks for watching.
This object has just been discovered. 3I Atlas was discovered on July 1st by the NASA-funded Atlas survey. It was discovered using their telescope at Rio Hurtado in Chile, and it was first detected as a speck of light moving relative to background stars. We collected a good amount of data, more than 100 observations. We know its trajectory fairly well. We know it came from outside the solar system. Right now it's inside the orbit of Jupiter and is headed for its closest pass to the Sun at the end of October. That's going to be barely inside the orbit of Mars, and then it's going to keep going on its way out of the solar system. From images, we also saw that this object is active, which means that around the nucleus there is some coma, which is an indication that this object is in fact a comet. Right now it's hard to say how big this object is because being active, the brightness that we see is partially due to the size of the object, but also it's partially due to the activity, and so we cannot really pinpoint the nucleus size directly. We have to better understand how active this object is, and then we can refine the size estimate and get a good idea. It's moving at a velocity of about 135,000 miles per hour, so it's going really fast. For that distance from the Sun, this is really exceptional. You have to be an interstellar object to be going that fast at that distance from the Sun. This object comes nowhere close to the Earth. It's gonna make a pass close-ish to Mars at about 30 million kilometers, or roughly 20 million miles from the red planet, but nowhere close to the Earth. It's not gonna make a major close approach to any of the planets. So no risk from this object, just a scientific opportunity. The more data we get, the better we can measure the position of this object as it travels through the solar system and it moves out of it. But we also want to collect physical characterization data. For instance, we would like to understand better what the size of this object could be, the composition, the levels of activity. We're just bracing ourselves to get as much information as possible. We're really excited about this object. So far, we've discovered 3 interstellar objects. The first one was Oumuamua in 2017, the second one, Borisov in 2019, and now we have the third one, 3I Atlas. So it's a rare opportunity, and as a scientific community, we want to collect as many data as possible to characterize this object and learn as much as we can.